ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुपरम्पराय नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। हरि ओम श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। If you don't mind, may I see all of your faces? Jetli ji, Agarwal ji, Sushma Amma, Ghosh Babu, if it is possible. No force. It's a request, kind request. I want to see you. You see me, but I also want to see the students, the seeker. Okay, so we will chant today Rigvedya mantra. Learn. Ninth mantra. There is Dasha Shanti mantra, you know. It's a famous. In any temple consecration, in any auspicious occasion, we chant Dasha Shanti mantra. That Dasha Shanti mantra is our Hindu tradition or Vedic tradition. Today we are in ninth mantra. It is from Rig Veda. Pratima Amma, may I see your face? Yes, Hari Om. Hari Om.
So, which page? It is
Sixth,
okay.
page number 6.
Okay, sir.
And for Usha Ghosamma, it is 22. Okay. Let's start. Om Vang Me Manasi. Om Vang Me Manasi.
Om Vang Se Manasi.
Bang se nahi, bang me. Om bang me manasip. Now sip. Instead of si, you please pronounce sip. Then pratisthita will come. Om vang me manasip pratisthita. Pratisthita. Om vang me manasi pratisthita. Once again. Om vang me manasi pratisthita. Mano me Vachip, Bachip, Chip, Cheap, pronounce it. Mano me Vachip, प्रतिष्ठितम् वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर् आविराविर् मयेधि मयेधि. Is it clear to you? We will chant together again. Om Vang Me Manasi Pratisthita. Chant after me. Om Vang Me Manasi Pratisthita. Mano Me Vachi Pratishthitam. Mano Me Vachi Pratishthitam. Once again. Mano Me Vachi Pratishthitam. Avir Maedhi. Avir Maedhi. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? Okay. Then Vedasyama 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 Ani 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 Vedasyama Ani Sthaha Vedasyama Ani Sthaha Srutam Mema Prahasira. Actually, in many places, I have seen in chanting Prahasihi, then Anena. Then I think it will be better for you right now. Srutam Mema Prahasihi. Please make a note with the pencil. Please don't write with the pen. Prahasihi Anenadhi Anenadhi Te Anenadhi Te.
Swamiji, it's Praha.
Who is speaking?
Ra. See Ra. Praha see Ra.
Who is?
I'm Shreya, Swamiji.
Okay.
Shreya. Here it is Praha see. After see there is Ra. So
Yes,
what?
you have like Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu. According to Sandhi rule, Visarga converts into Ra, sometimes Sa. Okay. So here prahasihi visarga,
Hmm.
and then anena
Hmm.
tritiya it is, as you
Okay.
all attended. Okay,
Okay.
anena is tritiya, like ramena, narena,
Ani.
anena. Okay,
Ani. Okay, Swamiji.
so prahasihi, then you write anena. Actually, anena adhitena ahoratran. This is the actual. Okay, but uh, according to Sandhi, we have to chant it like that. Prahasihi anenadhitenahor prahasihi anenadhitenahor. Please don't forget to chant the, don't forget the system of vowels. Okay, this is the basics we learned in the first class. A, I, U. If you forget it, then you can't chant anything else. That is on the first day I told that it is very laughing thing, that we are chanting or we are learning I. But if you can't remember it properly, you can't chant. Prahasihi anenadhitenahor. You just see maximum words are in Dirgha Swara. Have you noticed it? Prahasihi anena or anenadhitenaho ratran. It should be pronounced in a prolonged way. Okay. Then sandadhami, san, because the belongs to ta varga. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. So na is the last nasal word of ta varga. So it will be san. Sandadham ritam. Sandadham ritam. Actually, the sandadhami ritam. But according to Sandhi rule, it has become like that. Sandadham ritam. Sandadhami, it is an oath. It is an oath. ये शपथ है. क्या है? ऋतं वदिष्यामि, सत्यं वदिष्यामि, तन्माम avatu. You protect me. Tad vaktaram avatu. Please protect my acharya, my teacher. Again it is there. Avatu mam, avatu vaktaram, avatu vaktaram. In Rig Veda, the first Veda itself, the Veda himself is telling twice, thrice, protect my acharya, protect my acharya, protect my acharya. See, avatu vaktaram, protect my teacher, twice. If in Shastra, in Gita or in Vedanta Shastra, you will find whenever anything is repeated, in Kathopanishad, we have seen it thrice, some places. Yamaraja is repeating one word twice, means it is giving the maximum importance. Okay, this is not under Punaravritti dosha or Punarukti dosha. Okay, let's chant. Sandadham ritam vadishyami, or if you, for your sake, I can give you the grace for that. But after that, whenever you will be very much well versed, then try to chant together. Aho ratran, just chant. Aho ratran sandadhami. Please write it down on the top. Sandadhami. Ritam vadishyami. Please write it down. Ritam vadish. It is there ma, half ma, ya, and r. So you just break the word and write, make a note on the top. Sandadhami. Then ritam vadishyami. Ritam vadishyami. Satyam vadishyami. Tanmamavatu. Tadvaktaramavatu. Okay. Then Prahasihi, there also you can tell for your sake. Prahasihi anenadhitena. No, no, no. Leave it. Chant it according to Upanishad. So we will chant from the first. Okay. Om Vang Me Manasi Pratisthita Mano Me Vachi Pratishtitam. Pratishtitam. Okay. Avir Avir Mayedhi. Avir Avir Mayedhi. Got it? Vedasya Ma'ani Isthaha. Vedasya Ma'ani Isthaha. Shrutam Me. Shrutam Me. Ma Prahasihi. Ma Prahasihi. Anenadhitenahorratran. Anenadhitenahorratran. Sandadhami. Sandadhami. Ritam vadishyami. Ritam vadishyami. Satyam vadishyami. Satyam vadishyami. Sorry. Satyam vadishyami. Satyam vadishyami. Me will be pitched down. Tanmamavatu. 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 Tadvaktaramavatu. Yes, there you please break. Tadvaktaramavatu. Tadvaktaramavatu. There it is there. You just see Tadvaktaram avat Tvavavatu. So you please break it. Tad vaktaramavatu. Tad vaktaramavatu. Avatu mam. Avatu mam. Avatu vaktaram. Avatu vaktaram. Avatu vaktaram. Avatu vaktaram. Once again. Avatu vaktaram. Avatu vaktaram. Once again. Avatu vaktaram. Avatu vaktaram. So please chant from the first. Om Vang Manasi Pratishtha Mano Me Vachi Pratishtita Mahaviravir Mayedhi Vedasyama Ani Isthaha Shrutam Me Ma Prahasihi Anenadhite Nahoratran Sandadhami Ritam Vadishyami Satyam Vadishyami Tanmamavatu Tad Vaktaram Avatu Avatu Mam Avatu Vaktaram Avatu Vaktaram. It's critical. So what we will do, if you allow me, then we will chant the same mantra 10 times today. Okay? Then the mantra will be with you. When you will, in the class, we will itself practice. And Nikita, you will count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? It's your responsibility. Don't make it 9, don't make it 11. So our chanting starts now. We will chant together. Okay? Om Bang Me Manasi Pratishtita Mano Me Vachi Pratishtita Maviravir Maedhi Vedasya Maani Isthaha Shrutam Me Ma Prahasihi Anenadhite Nahoratran Sandadhami Ritam Vadishyami Satyam Vadishyami Tanmamavatu Tadvak Taramavatu Avatu Mam Avatu Vaktaramavatu Vaktaram. This last portion is really very critical. Very, very critical. So, it has a chanda. Just see. Ritam vadishyami satyam vadishyami tanmamavatu tadvakta ramavattvavatu mamavatu Vaktarama Vaktaram. So you have to practice it many times. So please chant it. One time is over. Second time. Om Vang Me Manasi Pratisthita Mano Me Vachi Pratisthita Ma Viravirmaedhi Vedasya Maani Istha Srutam Me Ma Prahasihi अनेनाधीतेनाहो रात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तार अवतु अवतु महम अवतु वक्तारमवतु वक्तारम्. So it is little bit tricky, but please chant it. It's a very important mantra in Rig Veda. Third time. Om. Just a minute. Om Vang Me Manasi Pratisthita Mano Me Vachi Pratishthitam Aviravir Maedhi. Please chant it from the first again. Om Vang Me Manasi Pratisthita Mano Me Vachi Pratisthita Aviravir Maedhi Vedasya Maani Istha Srutam Me Ma Prahasihi अनेनाधीतेनाहो रात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारमवतु Vaktaram. Next. Om Vang Me Manasi Pratisthita Mano Me Vachi Pratisthita Avirmaedhi Vedasya Maani Istha Srutam Me Ma Prahasihi Anenadhitenaho Ratran Sandadhami Ritam Vadishyami Satyam Vadishyami Tanmamavatu Tad Vaktaramavatu Avatu Mam Avatu Vaktaramavatu Vaktaram. Take a long breath and chant. Nikita, how many times we have chanted? 4 times. No, 5 times.
No, sir, 4 times.
Okay. Om Vang Me Manasi Pratisthita Mano Me Vachi Pratisthita Mahaviravi Maedhi Vedasya Mahani Sthaha Srutam me ma prahasihi anenadhite nahoratran sandadhami ritam vadishyami satyam vadishyami tanmamavatu tad vaktaramavatu avatu mam avatu vaktaram avatu vaktaram. So 5 times are over. Now 6th time. Om Vang Me Manasi Pratisthita Mano Me Vachi Pratisthita Mavi Avirmayedhi Vedasya Mahani Staha Srutam Me Ma Prahasihi anenadhite nahoratran sandadhami ritam vadishyami satyam vadishyami tanmamavatu tadvaktaramavatu avatu mam avatu vaktaramavatu vaktaram. Once again. Om Vang Me Manasi Pratisthita Mano Me Vachi Pratisthita Mahaviravirmayedhi Vedasya Mahani Staha Srutam me ma prahasihi anenadhite nahoratran sandadhami ritam vadishyami satyam vadishyami tanmamavatu tadvaktaramavatu avatu mam avatu vaktaram avatu vaktaram. Clear? Now will it be 8th times? Okay. Om Vang Me Manasi Pratisthita Mano Me Vachi Pratisthita Avirmayedhi Vedasya Mahani Staha Srutam me ma prahasihi anenadhite naho ratram sandadhami ritam vadishyami satyam vadishyami tanma avatu tad vaktaram avatu avatu mam avatu vaktaram avatu vaktaram. Clear? Om. Is it 9th time or 10th?
9th time.
Okay. Om Vang Me Manasi Pratisthita Mano Me Vachi प्रतिष्ठितमाविराविर्मयेधि वेदस्य महाणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाभितेनाहोरात्रान् संदधामि ऋतां वदिष्यामि सत्यां वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु मामवतु वक्तारमवतु वक्तारम्. Now the final. I hope you all are chanting with me. Om Vang Me Manasi Pratisthita Mano Me Vachi Pratisthita Mahaviravirmayedhi Vedasya Mahani Sthaha Shrutam me ma prahasihi anenadhite nahoratran sandadhami ritam vadishyami satyam vadishyami tanmamavatu tadvaktaramavatu avatu mam avatu vak Ramavatu Vaktaram. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Sri Guru Pyo Namaha Harihi Om Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Sri Guru Pyo Namaha Harihi Om. So, Hari Om to everyone else. I hope you all will practice, you all will chant, you all will learn. We all will learn together. We all will develop together by the grace of God, by the grace of our respective gurus or acharyas, by the grace of the scripture. Hari Om Tat Sat. And please try to attend morning class every day.
Hari Om. Hari Om.
Hari Om.